Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you an example of the video that you are to create for your creating voices for narrator 1, 2, and mission control video. The idea here is you are going to be reading both parts, and so you want to make the voices between the two characters, the narrator characters, and the mission control characters sound distinct. So for this video, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the first 3 lines on page 1. You do not have to record the whole page. Again, just the first 3 lines. So it's narrator 1, narrator 2, and mission control. You can treat narrator 1 and 2 like they are the same character and just read it all as one paragraph. And so then the only 2 voices you're making really today are going to be your narrator voice and then also your mission control voice. So here it goes. The United States began sending space probes to Mars in 1965. Since then, we have learned that there was liquid water on Mars in the very distant past. But what about today? Could there be water under the Martian surface? If so, some form of life may be possible. As our play begins, a team of astronauts has just taken off from Cape Canaveral. Their mission? To search life on Mars. Congratulations, crew. You've just completed 1 full orbit around Earth. Take a good look. You won't be seeing that again for about 3 years. Okay. And so the idea here is narrator 1, I want to kind of bring the audience in. I'm emphasizing certain words that I find interesting or special. And then for mission control, because mission control is kind of the guide and the helper on Earth to the astronauts in space, I wanted to give it almost like a Siri type vibe, a very smooth, calm, clear voice. And so that's what I tried to show in making those 2 voices different. One of them was more towards my regular reading voice, which was the narrator voice. And then the other voice, of course, was a little bit, I tried to make it a little bit smoother. It was a little bit lower in volume and tone, and just kind of giving that almost robotic, but still pleasing to listen to quality to my voice. And so when you're making your video, of course, you can make your voice sound like mine. That's totally fine. Or you can come up with your own ideas for what you think those characters should sound like. And remember, think about what function they serve in the play. The narrators are kind of just guiding the reader along through what happens in the story, versus mission control is supposed to be that very clear, calm, knowledgeable person, and so, or voice. And so think about that as you're creating your own voices.